Good morning, students. Ready for the computer class? Children, by now I can see that most of you, can work a lot on the computers. You're all getting ready to be professionals for tomorrow. You can make your own files, folders, you can open Word, you can pin your softwares to the taskbar and save your work and do mail merge also. Now is the time to have a look of what is around our computers, what makes our computers, because recently I found all the devices having a big fight with each other. They were saying that children can work on computers and each device was calling itself better than the others. How could that be possible? Well, children, let's see what these devices are and why do we need them and what they have to say about each other. Come, let's have a look. So, today we'll be talking about computer peripherals. What are peripherals? Peripherals means any external device that provides input, output, or storage for the computer, like our keyboard, the mouse, the webcam, or the hard disk, the pen drive. These are all peripheral devices. So we will have a look at what our peripheral devices have to say with each other. All right, so let's come to the category of these devices. We are today going to deal with input devices first because they're all ready to jump on each other and have a huge fight. Okay, each one of them is saying that we are better than the others. So we have a certain input devices. Input devices means those devices which help us giving input to the computer system. With the help of these devices, we can send our data to the computer system. Now, the very first was the keyboard. The keyboard said, I am the most important device. I am used for typing. Without me, anyone cannot type. I am full of keys, for example, such as alphabetic keys, numeric keys, control keys, function keys. I have so many keys, and the spacebar is my longest key. I can come with a cord to be connected to the CPU, but I can also be cordless. And I am the most important, needless to say, I am the most important. The mouse came running thereafter and said, Wait, I am also an input device. I am much more important than you. You children can do clicking, selecting, opening or executing a program with me. I can be double clicked, I can be single clicked. I can even drag and drop objects. I am much more easier to work than you. Joystick. Now, joystick, why would it be left behind? It said, wait, I am also an input device. I am used for controlling and making the children play games. I am so good. Children, do not leave me at all. I have one or more push buttons also. And I was originally designed for aircrafts. Now only it is that children also have started using me. Now, the light pen could not be left far behind. The light pen said, wait, what are you all saying? You're all old fashioned. Who uses a keyboard these days? I am a light sensitive device. I allow people to point to displayed objects or draw on the screen directly. You don't even have to type or spoil your hands with me. I am so easy and flexible to use. I just use light, and with that light, I can draw things together. Soon the touchscreen came running. Touchscreen said, wait. I am the most modern input device. Only when you touch me with a finger or a stylus, I can record everything and I register the event and send it for the CPU. Now I can contain pictures, words, everything together which the user can touch to interact. You do not require a mouse or a keyboard for me. I am so simple and easy. All mobile users are using me only. They don't use a keyboard, a mouse, a joystick for playing. Soon thereafter came the touchpad. The touchpad said, "You might be the touch screen, but you get affected very easily. Now, I am also used for pointing. I am the alternate to mouse. The mouse gets damaged so easily. So I come in laptop computers. Now I've also started coming with desktop. I'm so popular that even desktop computers have started using me. And a touchpad can be controlled by using finger movements only. It is so easy to use me. I also have a left mouse button and a right mouse button, and even my scroll section is easier to use. The webcam was listening to everything sitting at its place. Soon it also came in and said, "Wait, what is this all about?" Had I not been there to take the children's photographs or to make them talk on the online classes, who would have bothered about you all? The teacher would have never come to know that children are working. So it is me, my senses, that take an image in the real time and send it across the network that make people actually talk to each other as if they were sitting face to face. So you all seem to be quite old fashioned to me. I am the trend these days. I am the web camera. I'm also an input device, but see, I'm so different. Soon came the barcode reader. It said, "Wait, everyone goes to the market, everyone is waiting for the things to normalize, only to buy things, only to move out. And nobody can buy things without me. I am the barcode reader." These days, you find barcoding behind each and every item. Everything has got a barcoding behind it, every piece of item, and I am an optical scanner. I can read all the data that is contained within those lines of the barcode, and I send this data to the computer. Only then people can get their bills made, they can get their data recorded. They can see that the item belongs to which manufacturer and how much does it cost. So, it's only me that matters. I decode so much of information in one go that none of you seem to be important at all. Now came our scanner. The scanner said, "Barcode reader, who uses you at home? You are only for shops." I am the one who's being used everywhere. I can scan images, I can scan books also, and whatever I scan, I directly transfer to the computer. And with me, working is so easy. Everyone is sending their assignments either by scanning me or taking the pictures. So, it is me who's coming to importance these days. And I have my 4 cousins also. They are the flatbed, where the image is kept inside the scanner. Then you have the sheet fed. The sheet fed is so simple. He just takes the sheet, and as you go send it inside the scanner, it gives you a scanned output. Handheld scanner. He is the easiest of us all. You just have to point him to the image and you get a photocopy of the image. Cool. Then drum scanner. Even we don't leave large objects. Like we have large printers, we have large drum scanners for scanning big, huge maps, charts, and diagrams. So I come in a lot of variations. So I feel I am the most modern of you all and I am most important. Now, children, there's a big dilemma. We have learned about so many input devices, the devices which are used to give input to the system. All these devices we know are important to us in one way or the other, and we cannot work without either of them. So what we are going to do is we are going to tell the devices that you are all important to us. But for that, we are going to make a device list, and that device list we will be making in Microsoft Word. We will be taking a table and inserting the required number of rows and columns, and we will make a table like this where we have the device name, the type, whether it's an input device or an output device. Since today we have done only a few input devices, so they all are input devices, what function they are used for: typing, pointing, playing, touching, whatever they are being used for, scanning images, recording images, and have you use them, and you will put a picture also of each of the device in your table. Save your work and keep it with you. Anytime the devices approach you, you can show that yes, we have a recording of all that we have done. We know that each device is equally important to us. Thank you.